So when you're doing a water heater drain and flush, you're gonna wanna turn your gas valve to pilot. You're gonna wanna open this valve, put your water hose on, turn it outside, and open this valve up. Let it blast out for about 1 minute. Turn your cold water off. That's off. And you're gonna wanna I open a hot side supply line or a cold side sometimes. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Open it up. And you'll hear the air start to come out. It'll hiss at you. And it'll drain naturally for about 30 to 45 minutes. I never touch the TMP because these things will leak after 1 year.